Welcome to Royal Enfield Himalayan. Do it yourself for spark plug cleaning and inspection. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Remove the suppressor cap by gently pulling away from the spark plug. Remove the bush from the suppressor cap. Locate spark plug spanner on spark plug and loosen. Remove the spark plug. Clean insulator tip and electrode using a soft cloth. Locate spark plug in the cylinder head and tighten initially by rotating clockwise by hand 2 to 3 rounds to prevent wrong threading. Locate spark plug spanner and tighten the spark plug. Install the bush into the suppressor cap. Check the suppressor cap tightness to avoid spark leak. Locate suppressor cap on spark plug and press firmly. That's it. You have done the spark plug cleaning and inspection.